Welcome to this lesson where we'll explore the unit system in a way that's both practical and easy to understand. You'll learn how these units apply in real life, from measuring distances to calculating areas. We will learn here. Types of unit system. Linear measurements and conversions. Weight measurements. Area calculations. The circle and pi. Segment arc length. Area of circle and segments. Everything in 10 minutes time. Let's dive in deeper. Every structure has a story. Every road, every bridge, every foundation begins with an engineer who dared to understand the unseen. Welcome to Civil Guru Solutions, where we uncover the hidden science behind the world you walk on. From design to surveying, estimation to execution, and quality control, we take you deep into the heart of civil engineering. Our mission is simple: to turn complex engineering knowledge into clear, practical learning for students, professionals, and dreamers across the world. Our videos are available in English, Spanish, French, Portuguese, Arabic, Hindi, Tamil, and many more. Learning has no borders here. Select your preferred language directly through YouTube's audio settings. If our content inspires you, support us by liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing. Civil Guru Solutions, where learning becomes an experience. Let's build the future, one lesson at a time. Here, we are going to learn about the unit system. Around the world, we use different types of unit systems. First, we have the SI units, also known as the International System of Units. It is measured in meters, kilograms, and seconds. This is also called the MKS system. The second one is the CGS system, which is based on centimeters, grams, and seconds. The third one is the FPS system, measured in feet, pounds, and seconds. Let us first discuss linear measurements in the metric system. The smallest unit of measurement in meters is the millimeter. 10 millimeters is 1 centimeter. 100 centimeters is 1 meter. 1000 meters is 1 kilometer. Now let's move to linear measurements in the foot system, also called feet. The smallest unit in feet is the inch. 12 inches make 1 foot. 3 feet make 1 yard, which is also called gajam in Tamil. 660 feet, which is the same as 220 yards, make 1 furlong. 8 furlongs make 1 mile. Let us now look at conversions between feet and meters. 1 inch is the same as 2.54 centimeters. 1 foot equals 30.48 centimeters. 1 meter equals 3.208 feet. 1 mile equals 1.609 kilometers. Let us see the measurement of weight in metric units. In the metric system, the smallest unit for weight is the gram. 1000 grams make 1 kilogram. 1000 kilograms make 1 ton or tonnage. For pounds, 1 kilogram equals 2.205 pounds. What is a newton or kilonewton? Newton is unit commonly used in structural design for load calculations during the design of structural components such as columns, beams, and slabs. For example, 1 kilogram of mass uniformly distributed over 1 meter generates a force of 1 newton. Area calculations. For area calculations, 1 millimeter multiplied by 1 millimeter equals 1 square millimeter. 1 centimeter multiplied by 1 centimeter equals 1 square centimeter. 100 centimeters by 100 centimeters equals 1 square meter. 3 feet by 3 feet equals 1 square yard. 1 meter equals 3.2808 feet. Therefore, 1 square meter equals 3.2808 multiplied by 3.2808 feet, which equals 10.764 square feet. Additional area conversions. 1 cent equal 435.60 square feet or 40.50 square meters. 1 acre equals 100 cents, which equals 4046.856 square meters. Here's something interesting. 1 acre equals 2.47 cents. 1 hectare equals 100 acres. So, 1 hectare equals 100 acres multiplied by 2.47 cents multiplied by 40.50 square meters. Here's something interesting. 1 hectare equals 10,000 square meters, which is also equals to 2.47 acres. Did you know that? Hectares are often used to measure large plots of agricultural land or big construction projects. Understanding the circle and the value of pi. Let's now explore the circle in detail and how the value of pi is derived. What is a circle? Take a 1 meter long rope, hold it tightly, and draw an arc on any surface by rotating it up to 180 degrees. This will form a semicircle. The arc length of this semicircle will be 3.142 meters. This is the value of 22 divided by 7, which we call pi. This arc length for a 1 unit radius is treated as a constant called pi. This value is used to calculate the arc length for various radii. For example, the arc length of a semicircle with a 1 meter radius is 3.142 units. When the radius varies, the arc length also changes proportionally. The formula for arc length is radius multiplied by pi. For example, if the radius is 1.25 meters, the arc length is 1.25 multiplied by 3.142, which equals 3.927 meters. Now, when we combine two semicircles, we form a full circle. This means the arc length of a full circle is 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by the radius. Segment of a circle and its area. To calculate the arc length of a segment of a circle for a particular angle. Let's assume the included angle is theta. We know the arc length of a 180-degree semicircle is pi. The arc length of a segment is theta divided by 180 multiplied by pi and then multiplied by the radius. For example, if the angle is 30 degrees and the radius is 1.25 meters, the arc length is 30 divided by 180 multiplied by 3.142 and then multiplied by 1.25. This equals 0.6545 meters. Now, let's calculate the area of a circle. The formula for the area of a circle is pi multiplied by the radius squared. For example, if the radius is 1.25 meters, the area is 3.142 multiplied by 1.25 multiplied by 1.25, which equals 4.909 square meters. For a segmental area, the formula is theta divided by 360 multiplied by pi multiplied by the radius squared. For example, if the angle is 30 degrees and the radius is 1.25 meters, the area is 30 divided by 360 multiplied by 3.142 multiplied by 1.25 multiplied by 1.25. This equals 0.4091 square meters. Real-world connections. Why does this matter? Calculating arc lengths and areas is crucial in designing curved roads, bridges, and even calculating land areas. Did you know? The concept of pi dates back to ancient Egypt and is still vital in modern engineering. Challenge for you. Can you calculate the area of a 45-degree segment for a circle with a radius of 2 meters? Post your answers in the comments below.